One of the biggest problems I think traders face every single day is traders think in terms of money, not in terms of the type of trades that they should be taking. Let me explain. A good trader doesn't go out thinking, how much money can I make today? How much money can I make today? How much money can I make today? A good basketball player doesn't go out thinking, I need to win this game. You understand? They just go out with the notion, I need to take good trades. I need to play good. That's what they do. Because here's the thing, right? Especially in something like basketball where it's a team sport. Yes, obviously you want to win, but I'll tell you this. The interesting thing about basketball, because it is a team sport, obviously there are variables that are outside of your control. Your job as a basketball player is to play good. It's the same thing with trading. There are many things in this industry that you do not have control over. So by going out and saying, I need to make money today, I need to take, this trade and make X amount of dollars today, what you are essentially doing is you're setting yourself up for failure because you have expectations of the market. And thus, obviously, what you're doing is you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Rather than focusing on how much money you make or how much money you want to make, why not just focus on trying to take good trades? Now, what basically makes a good trade? What would constitute a good trade? Is it that it's a trade that wins? Is it that it's a trade that wins X amount of pips or percentage or dollars or whatever? No. What makes a good trade, my friends, is your ability to execute in and on and during the market with your certain set of rules the exact same way you did it each time before that, regardless of what has happened to you in your life. The reason why I'm saying that is, and this is very important, there are going to be stimuli and stimulations from the external world into your mind which project into your trading. If you can be stimulated from the external world, if you can be stimulated and not be bothered by that and it doesn't affect your trading, you're in a much better place. Because I'll tell you this, you can have a bad day and guess what? It's going to affect you. Especially if you allow it to affect you, it's going to affect your trading. Being a good trader is about following certain rules that you've set for yourself and making sure that these rules are absolute control at every cross section of your journey as a trader. If you don't do that, it could be a good trader, bad trader, doesn't matter. Being a good trader is about taking good trades. And good trades is literally making sure that you follow your rules that you've set for yourself. Rather than focusing on, I want to make this amount of money, I want to make that amount of money. Yeah, the money will come. The money will come. The good trades will come. Focus on following your rules. Now I'll tell you this. Many people don't even have rules to begin with. And that is why, it is so hard for them to even really understand and internalize what I'm saying here. Many people don't understand that, yeah, you have to have a business plan because you need to treat this like a business, as we know. You need to have a business plan in order to be able to function from a place of profit and growth and success. As a business, if you don't have a plan, you don't know why you are in business, obviously you're going to fail. Because again, you don't know why you're doing the thing that you're doing. Same thing as a trader. If you don't have certain rules and criteria and processes for the way, if this happens, you're going to do this. If you don't have that, guess what? You're setting yourself up for failure. You're running a fool's errand. You're just literally shooting in the dark and expecting to hit your target. But the problem is, like I said, what you need to do is first set the rules and then make it your business to try to follow them. Make sense? So I really hope that this, really stood out to you in terms of, it's not about the technical analysis. Yes, okay, fine, that's important. The technical analysis is absolutely important. The risk management is absolutely important. All of these things. But I'll tell you, neglecting this one fact makes it that much harder for you to really see long-term consistent gains in this industry. And the reason for that is because you don't even have a base to stand on. So I really hope that you enjoyed this. I just recently posted my entire free program on my YouTube. You can check it out below. I'll put a link to the playlist below as well. Definitely check it out if it is you don't even have an understanding of the basics. Here's a pretty good place to start. This is my perspective on the basics of the industry, right? I could be wrong about everything that I've said thus far. I say this all the time. I could be wrong about it. Interestingly enough, it has been working for me, and I think that it could work for you too if it is you give me the time of day. I really hope that you watch this entire video because there was a lot of information in here. And yeah, if you like this video, definitely hit like, subscribe to the video if it is, or subscribe to the channel, sorry, if it is you like this type of content and you want more information surrounding trading and anything finance and investing. Everything that I say is my perspective, and I can be absolutely wrong, but it works for me and it makes sense to me, which is what it really boils down to. Leave a comment below if it is you agree or disagree with what I've said here. And if it is you have any questions, you can reach out to me directly on Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube at EkataTrading. Or you can email me directly at EkataTrading1@gmail.com. Links for those things will be below. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.